Hey there! Have you ever struggled with finding a sure way to upsell products and services for your business? So many of us have dealt with the awkwardness and fake salesy feel that typically comes with upselling. Well, ServiceMonster's solution for that is using pre-filled price lists and packages. From Settings in the main menu, select the Products or Services icon. Then click the Add button. Give it a name, price, and fill in any details. Click Save, and the new product or service is now saved to the list. To create a package, simply select the Packages icon from Settings, then click the Add New Package button. Give the new package a name and use the drop-down to select all the products and services you wish to include in the package. Click Save, and the new package is now saved to the list. Setting all this up ahead of time is exactly what you need to help take pressure off your techs when they're upselling on site. They can simply refer to the listings in their mobile app and present different packages relevant to the occasion. Utilizing your pre-filled price lists and packages not only takes pressure off the techs to be a salesperson, it also limits the potential for mistakes. More accurate, less salesy? Sign me up. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!